Hey guys, Richard Butler here, and I'm really excited because today I'm going to do an unboxing video. You see, what happened was I slipped out for a moment, and when I came back I found this package sitting on my desk. So I suspect I know what it is. It's coming nicely packed, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's have a look at, you're going to see the full experience of what it's like to open up this package. Give me my teeth. Oop. And here we go, guys. What do you think it is? What could it be? Well, let's have a look. It's the latest gadget that I bought. I don't know if you can see that, but they are Zenbuds. Now, what is a Zenbud? Well, I saw this on Indiegogo, which is one of these sites that you contribute money to a startup or to a project that they're actually bringing out. And I saw these ones, and they were called Zenbuds, and they were smart sleep earbuds. Now, maybe it's as I've gotten older, I've actually found it more difficult to sleep because noises affect me, etc. And I did see that Bose had a pair of these, and they were quite expensive. So these Zenbuds were on a special, an early bird special. I think I got them for $69. And I've never bought from one of these crowdfunding or crowd-raising sites, fundraising sites. And I thought, well, will I ever receive them? And they did say that they would be sent out and you'd receive them in September. Now, it's the 21st of September today, I believe, and they arrived. So let's open these up and see. I'm super excited by this. Now, the packaging here seems pretty sweet. And let me just take this out. Okay, so I'll put that box there. We have the box here. It just says AmazFit, and they produced a lot of smart and health products. Now, what this is also meant to do is it's meant to track your sleep and tell you how well you're sleeping. Look at that, super nice. Very Apple designy, I would say. So this is the box here, and I believe you just slide that out like that, and these are the earbuds. So what these actually do is, and I'll see if I can just put this up to the camera. So that's the earbud, and there's like a sensor there, and this charges, and I think you can, if I remember rightly, you can use this for 8 hours. Now, there's a lot of technology, and this is part one of the video just to do the unboxing. And you put these in at night, and then you sync it up to the app, and the app will play ambient sounds, and it will also block out different sounds as well. So they're not noise cancelling, but they block out a lot of sound. So the idea is that you set up a sound, and this will play on all night, or using the sensors inside it until you fall asleep. Now, how does it do that? Well, I guess it has one of these, what are they, accelerometer, or there's some word that they have one of these devices that will monitor as you move, and it'll give you the quality of your sleep. So I'm super excited to see that. Now, what else do we have in here? Well, in the typical Apple format, we have a nice little tab here that you can pull up, and it reveals, it reveals a manual, and yeah, we have this in English, we have it in Spanish, Russian, Italian, Chinese, Japanese, everything. 154 pages on that. We then have that, which is for charging. So yet another cable. This is, well, it's a USB-C cable, which is always handy. And I believe in this box here, what we actually have is different earbud sizes. So those sizes you use to measure which is more comfortable for you. Now, of course, the exciting thing about this is always trying to put the damn thing back in the box the way it actually came. So I'll just leave that for now. So this couples with an app that you get. I have to say, I love that design. It's just so nice. And the big test is going to be tonight. So what I'm going to do is make sure that you subscribe to the channel, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to test these out tonight. Now, being in Spain, yeah, you'd kind of say, well, why doesn't he have siesta? And that's a good point. But I'm going to try these out tonight to see just how well they work. So subscribe, and I will give you a full report tomorrow. Talk to you later. Bye.